Your smartphone is your digital life. Private chats, bank info, photos, and your location, all in one place. It's like carrying a mini vault of personal information everywhere you go. But have you ever stopped to think about how secure this vault really is? But how secure is it really? With every app you download and every Wi-Fi network you connect to, you might be opening doors to potential threats. We trust these devices, but even the best security can be broken. Hackers are constantly evolving, finding new ways to bypass security measures. For every new lock, there's someone ready to pick it. It's a never-ending game of cat and mouse, where the stakes are your personal data. The goal here isn't to scare you into tossing your phone, but to show you how hackers operate, so you can defend yourself. Understanding their tactics is the first step in protecting your digital life. Knowledge is your best defense. By staying informed, you can take proactive steps to secure your information. Hackers don't need to physically break your phone. They use sophisticated software. These digital intruders can access your device from anywhere in the world. One of their favorite tools, Kali Linux, a specialized operating system built for probing digital security. It's a powerful tool that can be used for good or ill. Security pros use it to find weaknesses before criminals do, but in the wrong hands, it's a hacker's toolkit. This dual-use nature makes it both a blessing and a curse. In this video, we'll break down how attackers use Kali Linux to target phones, and what you can do to stop them. We'll guide you through the maze of digital threats with clear, actionable advice. We'll cover real-world attack methods, from malicious apps to sneaky Wi-Fi tricks, in plain language. You'll learn how to spot the red flags and avoid common pitfalls. Forget the Hollywood nonsense. This is practical advice to keep your digital life safe. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to make smart choices. Let's dive in and make sure your pocket supercomputer works for you, and only you. Together, we'll ensure that your smartphone remains a tool for convenience, not a vulnerability. So, what is Kali Linux? If you've ever wondered how cybersecurity experts and hackers test the strength of digital defenses, Kali Linux is at the heart of their toolkit. It's a specialized operating system, designed from the ground up for security professionals, ethical hackers, and anyone interested in understanding the world of digital security. Think of it as the ultimate Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity. Just as a multi-tool can help you fix almost anything, Kali Linux is packed with a vast array of digital tools, each designed for a specific job in the world of hacking and security testing. It's an operating system loaded with over 600 security and hacking tools. Everything from password crackers and network analyzers to wireless attacks and digital forensics. These tools are used for penetration testing, which means simulating attacks to find weaknesses before real criminals do. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use Kali to identify and fix security holes. Their job is to think like attackers, probing systems for vulnerabilities so they can be patched before someone with bad intentions finds them. Companies and organizations hire these professionals to test their digital defenses, much like you'd hire a locksmith to check your home's security. By finding weaknesses first, they help prevent costly data breaches and cyber attacks. But Kali Linux isn't just for the good guys. Its power and flexibility make it attractive to anyone interested in hacking, regardless of their intentions. In the wrong hands, Kali becomes a weapon. The very same tools that help protect systems can also be used to break in, steal sensitive data, or spy on unsuspecting users. It's a reminder that technology itself is neutral. What matters is how it's used. The software itself isn't illegal. It's all about intent and action. Using Kali Linux for authorized security testing is perfectly legal, but using it to hack without permission crosses the line into cybercrime. Kali's power and convenience make it incredibly popular with hackers of all skill levels. Everything they need is pre-installed and ready to go, making it easy to launch attacks or test defenses in minutes. Even beginners can get started with Kali Linux. Its user-friendly interface and pre-built tools mean that you don't need deep technical knowledge to run powerful attacks or security tests. This accessibility is both a strength and a risk. That's what makes Kali Linux a true double-edged sword. It empowers both defenders and attackers. The same knowledge that protects can also be used to exploit. Understanding this tool is key to understanding how your phone, computer, or even your smart home devices can be targeted. Kali Linux gives us a window into the methods hackers use to break into everyday technology. In the next scenes, we'll take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how these attacks work in real life. You'll see step by step how vulnerabilities are found and exploited. Let's dive in and explore the real threats lurking in the digital world and learn how to defend against them. One of the easiest ways hackers get into your phone: malicious apps. You think you're downloading a fun game or useful tool, but hidden inside is a hacker's payload. Kali Linux lets attackers embed malware into apps, especially Android APKs. They spread these apps through sketchy websites or fake app stores, hoping you'll install them. Once you grant permissions, the malware opens a back door, giving hackers remote control. They can access your camera, mic, photos, messages, even log your keystrokes. All this happens silently, while your phone looks normal. Hackers often disguise malware inside real apps, so you won't notice anything wrong. That's why you should only download apps from official stores like Google Play or Apple's App Store. A little caution goes a long way in keeping your data safe. Free public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground. With Kali Linux, attackers can set up fake hotspots or intercept traffic on real networks. Your phone might connect automatically, sending all your data through the hacker's laptop. Tools like Ettercap or Wireshark let them see unencrypted info, logins, emails, even photos. Some can even strip away website encryption, exposing your private data. You might never notice, but your security is compromised. Always be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Avoid sensitive tasks and use a VPN if you must connect. The convenience isn't worth the risk. The weakest link in security? People. Hackers use social engineering, tricking you into giving up info. Phishing is the classic move: fake emails or texts that look urgent, asking you to click a link or enter your password. Kali Linux's social engineer toolkit makes it easy to create convincing fake websites and messages. Enter your info, and it goes straight to the hacker. Even the best security can't protect you if you hand over your password willingly. Hackers cast a wide net, sending thousands of messages. Just a few bytes can mean dozens of stolen accounts. Always double-check links and sender addresses. If something feels off, don't click. Verify first. Your caution is your best defense. Now let's talk defense. Basic security hygiene. These are the everyday habits that form the foundation of your digital safety, and they're just as important as locking your front door at night. Start by using strong, unique passwords for every account you have. A password manager can help you generate and remember complex passwords, so you don't have to rely on your memory alone. Never recycle passwords, or use easy-to-guess ones like 123456 or password. Hackers count on people reusing credentials across sites, making it easier for them to break in. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. It's a huge barrier for hackers. Even if someone gets your password, 2FA adds an extra layer that's tough to bypass. Be skeptical of unexpected messages and links, especially those that urge you to act quickly or seem too good to be true. If you get a weird email or text, always verify it before clicking any links or downloading attachments. Double-check the sender's address and look for signs of phishing. Don't act on impulse. Hackers rely on you being in a hurry or distracted. Take a moment to think before you click. Keep your phone and apps updated. Updates aren't just about new features. They often fix security flaws that could put your data at risk. Updates patch security holes that hackers love to exploit. Ignoring them leaves your devices vulnerable to attacks that could have been easily prevented. Set updates to automatic if you can, so you never miss a critical patch. This way, your devices stay protected without you having to remember every time. These simple habits block most attacks before they even start. Practicing good security hygiene is your first and best line of defense. Think of them as washing your hands, basic but powerful. Just as hand washing prevents illness, these steps prevent digital infections. Don't ignore update notifications. They're your first line of defense against new threats. Take a moment to install them as soon as they appear. A few minutes of caution can save you from a world of trouble, protecting your personal information, finances, and peace of mind. Stay alert, stay aware, and you'll stay safer in the digital world. Remember, most attacks succeed because of simple mistakes. Don't give hackers that chance. Once you've mastered these basics, you're ready to move on to advanced defenses. Ready to level up? Here's how to make your phone even tougher. Review app permissions. Don't grant access unless it's absolutely necessary. If a game wants your microphone, say no. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. If you must use it, always connect through a VPN to encrypt your data. Only download apps from official stores. Never sideload from random websites. For Android, keep install from unknown sources turned off. Regularly audit your apps and permissions. Uninstall what you don't use or recognize. Check which apps have access to your location, camera, and contacts. Revoke anything unnecessary. These steps make it much harder for hackers to get in. Proactive security beats cleaning up after a hack. Take control of your device. Stay one step ahead. Think you've been hacked? Act fast. Watch for signs. Fast battery drain, unexplained data use, new apps you didn't install, or strange account activity. If you spot these, disconnect your phone from the internet immediately. Change your passwords from a different, trusted device. Run a reputable antivirus scan on your phone. If malware won't go away, do a full factory reset. Yes, it's drastic, but it wipes out hidden threats. Be careful restoring backups. Don't bring back the infected app. The sooner you act, the less damage a hacker can do. Don't ignore the warning signs. Quick action can save your data and your peace of mind. Cybersecurity is a never-ending game. Hackers evolve, so must you. Don't be paranoid, but stay vigilant. Make security a habit, not a one-time fix. Knowledge is your best weapon. Understand how attacks work, and you'll spot them sooner. Stay informed about new threats and scams. The tips we've covered: strong passwords, 2FA, cautious clicking, updates, managing permissions, and using a VPN are essential. Every action you take online is a security decision. Protecting your phone means protecting your identity and peace of mind. Technology is powerful, but it's up to you to use it wisely. Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay informed. In this digital age, vigilance is your best defense. Thanks for watching. Now go secure your supercomputer.